today's gratuitous food shot is steak don! Hi guys, just a super quick video today. Basically I put together a new old-fashioned looking swing seat in my garden so that I can look at my fishies in my pond. It was a fairly complicated process, so I started yesterday and then I finished it earlier on today. It's taking a little bit longer than expected to get to the actual renovations on the house, so I thought I'd upload some of these little short videos about bits and pieces I do to prepare or for the garden, and just get a few more uploads in here and there, you know? And while the instructions weren't the easiest thing in the world to follow, let's have a look how it went. Go. All that remains is to test it out. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.